Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a product that promises to solve a whole mess of problems for Sony shooters, the Llano 4-in-1 NP-FZ100 Charger Kit. If you shoot on an A74 and a 7R, an FX3, or any of the popular Sony Alpha and Cinema lines, you know the NP-FZ100 battery life is always a concern. But Llano didn't just make a charger, they made an all-in-one powerhouse. Here's what makes this kit a true creator's essential. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is the smart storage case. It's compact, robust, and the magnetic lid keeps everything secure, making it instantly travel ready and protecting your gear from dust. But this case is doing quadruple duty. It holds and charges 2 batteries. It features a built-in 10 400 mAh power bank. It's a 20W USB CPD 2-way fast charger, and it even has an integrated USB 3.0 card reader. Honestly, this replaces at least 3 separate gadgets I usually have floating around in my gear bag. Now let's talk about the batteries themselves. The kit includes 2 upgraded to 600 mAh Aurora cells. Llano claims these offer about 20% longer runtime than standard NP-FZ100s, and in my brief testing with my S7C Roman 2, they do deliver on that promise, which is invaluable on a long day. A fantastic feature is the LED display on the batteries, which shows charge levels instantly 25, 50, 75, 100%. No more guessing. The charging speed is excellent. Using the 20W USB CPD input, you can fast charge these Aurora batteries in around 1.5 hours. And because the unit doubles as a power bank, a full 10 400 mAh charge can recharge about 1.5 of your camera batteries, or charge up your phone or stabilize your gimbal on location. That versatility is a massive workflow boost. Perhaps the most surprisingly useful component is the built-in USB 3.0 card reader. This isn't some slow afterthought. With its SD 4.0 slot, you can transfer files at speeds up to 312 MB per s. When you're dealing with massive 4K video files or high-resolution photo bursts, getting that footage off your card quickly is critical. This feature can help speed up your data dump routine dramatically. Compatibility-wise, it covers virtually every current Sony body that uses the NP-FZ100, the A7 Roman 3, A7C, a 6700, the FX30, and the flagship A1 and A9 series. And for peace of mind, it's certified with FCC and all standards and features all the essential protections: overcharge, overcurrent, overheating, and short circuit. Final thoughts. The Llano 4-in-1 NP-FZ100 Charger Kit isn't just a charger. It's a complete solution designed for the traveling, working creator. It replaces separate power banks, card readers, and battery cases with one unified, travel-ready device. The extended battery life from the Aurora cells combined with the 20W fast charging makes it a professional piece of gear. If you are constantly juggling battery cases, power banks, and card readers, do yourself a favor and consolidate your setup. This kit is highly recommended. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this review helpful.